One robot can pick, two robot hands can work. Hi, I'm Dr. Qamar Ul Islam. Many robots today are good at single arm manipulation, but humans rarely do complex tasks with one hand only. We open, hold, stabilize, twist, support, fold, and carry using two hands together. This is why bimanual manipulation is becoming a major trend. Mobile Aloha showed that low-cost whole body teleoperation can teach robots complex bimanual robot manipulation tasks such as opening cabinets, handling kitchen objects, and moving through real household activities. This matters because real world work is not just pick and place, it is coordination. The challenge is difficult. Two arms must cooperate together, avoid collisions, maintain force, balance, and adapt to object motion. But the payoff is huge. My take, the future of useful robots will be bimanual. The robot that can use both hands intelligently will move from demonstration to assistant. Thank you.
The mobile manipulator enters the hall, keeping the tray level as it moves. While turning to avoid the cart, each arm makes small compensations to counteract the tilt.
Thank you. Perfect presentation.
You're welcome. Glad to assist.
Everything's intact. Thank you for bringing this.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need another delivery.
I will. Good work.
Thank you. This is perfect.
You're welcome.
Stay well.
Everything looks perfect. Thank you.
Acknowledged.